In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the bypass from the Calder Road heading towards the city centre. It's a bit of a racetrack here. You've got 3 lanes, and we're going to join the bypass in the middle lane with our right indicator on. The only reason I'm in the middle lane is because there's nobody behind me just now. If there was somebody behind me, it runs the risk that potentially they might overtake you on the left hand side. So roughly about this area here, if you move over to your lane, you can be in either the middle lane or the right hand lane for turning right onto the bypass. Because we're in the middle lane, we stay in the middle lane. It's a spiral roundabout controlled with traffic lights. So staying in the middle lane, just watching the vehicles at either side of you. If it's a lorry or a bus or something like that, they might need extra room. Stay in the middle lane. This lane goes either into the city centre or up towards the bypass, which is signposted for the south. As you turn round here to the right hand side, keep to the left as much as possible behind that white car. Now just remember, at this point there is 2 lanes that go into this bypass, and they will narrow down into 1 lane pretty soon. You'll see what I mean in a second. See, there's no markings there. Follow the same course as that white car, keeping way to the left hand side. Check your right mirror, move over if it's safe to do so. Pop your right indicator on. Remember, this bit here is still a 50 miles per hour. It isn't until halfway up the slip road it changes to a 70. So check your right mirror. If it's safe to move over into your lane. And then increase the speed and basically catch up with the car in front and keep yourself 2 seconds behind them if it's dry, 4 seconds if it's wet. At this section of road, sometimes you get lorries on the left hand side and they're doing 60. They hit the hill and then they slow right down to about 40. You want to get past them as swiftly as possible. So all you do is check your right mirror. If it's safe to move out, indicate, and off you go into the right hand lane and get past the lorries. If there's no lorries and the traffic's flowing and we're going up in the left hand lane and we're sitting there maybe about 65, 70, just be cautious, because on the left hand side you're going to get cars that are going to come out from the left hand side at that sign. So as you can see, there's a car coming out, so all we do is we just give them plenty of space. If we have to slow down and hold back, that's fine. So we'll speed this video up just for a wee second. There's not much happening here. So we're going to come off at the next turn off, which is the Dreghorn Junction, as you've seen on the sign there. So basically you're just looking for the markers, the countdown markers, and you'll indicate roughly. There's no hard set science on it, you just indicate roughly on the 3rd marker. So there it's coming up now. It's got 3 strikes, 1, 2, 3, boom, indicator on. And remember, you've got a hard shoulder on the left. That's not the deceleration lane. This is the deceleration lane here. So this is where you're going to start to slow down. And then at the end of the road, you would probably turn left. So we're joining the bypass from Dreghorn now. Watch this corner up here. It's quite a tight one. As we go around here, we're going to pop the right hand indicator on, mirror and signal, right hand indicator. and we're going to just start to increase. Just watch that little slip road on that little road on the left there. Increasing the speed, match the speed of the vehicles on the carriageway. So in other words, you're matching the speed of the blue Tesla. Same thing again, keep your 2 seconds behind the vehicle in front. It's nice and dry, so 2 seconds is okay. So as you drive along the bypass, get yourself up to a decent speed. You're looking at the signs at the side, if they affect you in any way. The vehicle in front is travelling at a decent speed, but also look beyond that vehicle so you can see for any other hazards way up ahead. And we're going to take the next road on the left. So we're looking for the point where we're going to indicate. So we're looking for the board that's got 3 stripes on it, 3 marks. It's roughly about here. So you just pop your left indicator on. And we're having to slow down a wee bit here just now because the vehicle in front's going slower, but ordinarily we would only slow down in the deceleration lane. So at the end of the road we're going to turn right, so straight away get yourself positioned on the right. We can see the blue Tesla in front. He's got his left indicator on, his position and his indicators confirming to us that he's going left. Our position and probably our indicator about now is confirming to people behind that we're turning right. Change your speed limits down to a 30, close junction until you come up to the line. So at this roundabout we're going to take the 4th exit right. So there's no markings on this roundabout, just positions. So we're in the right hand position. We follow it round, we've got a right indicator on, a right position. Tells everybody what we're doing, where we're going. At this point here we're going to do left mirror, left signal. Exit the roundabout, join onto the acceleration lane of the bypass. It's a change of speed limit, 70 miles an hour. Everybody seems to always think that there's 2 lanes here. There's not. It's a tar banding in the middle of the road. Stay in the middle of it, take that dominant position. Increase the speed, put your indicator on, mirror and signal, increasing the speed, match the speed of the vehicles on the carriageway. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Got tons more videos that are going up in the future.